Hey everyone, I'm Gabrielle over here at Oxmoor Ford Lincoln. I have great news. The all-new, brand new 2021 Ford Bronco is here. Now this one is for a Ford rep, but that means we are going to have more come in. So we're going to do a little sneak preview on this one that's here right now. So I have Charles over there, and Charles, show this vehicle off.
Yeah, so I'm Charles. I'm one of the sales managers here. I'm actually super excited to have a Bronco myself coming whenever it does make it in, but this is the first full production model we've seen yet. This particular model is a Badlands trim that's just under the Wild Track trim, so it's going to be equipped pretty highly with all the creature comforts and all the comforts that you can imagine. The four-wheel drive proudness, as you're going to see here, he's showing the heavy-duty front modular bumper, stock skid plates that come underneath it. It has the rocker panel protection here on the side as well. That's all part of the Badlands package. As well with that, you're going to get remote start. You're going to have electronic lockers front and rear. You're also going to have the Ford's Copilot 360 system. All the safety features like pre-collision assist, auto emergency braking, cross traffic alert, and lane keeping assist. As you come inside, you'll see some of the other nice features that the high package that this vehicle is equipped with. It has the huge 12-inch center stack touchscreen. You got additional sound deadening materials and a 360-degree camera view. You'll see a couple of other things like the GOAT modes. The GOAT modes come from go over any terrain. So whatever you are looking to do, whether to go off-road in the mud, off-road in the sand, or climb some rocks, this vehicle has the perfect mode for you to accomplish your mission. Also with the Badlands package, you're going to see the leather trim seats. Very nice. You can wash and clean those out just like a Jeep would, but you even have drain holes in the floor that you can let the water run right out of the vehicle. So it makes for an easy cleanup after a fun, messy day off-road. Some of the other cool little things we'll point out, little Easter eggs you'll see on the tow hooks. You got a little lasso there. Ford's done a really good job with this Bronco of adding some cool, clever little features, such as the Bronco insignias everywhere. Underneath the gas cap, it kind of shows the iterations of the Broncos over the years and show how far they have came. As you can see, more cargo room and space, factory jack, funnel and everything ready to go. This one here also, as you see, is a soft top and comes off very easily. You see this Badland model is also equipped with the factory 33-inch KO2 all-terrain tires, one of the best mud tires on the market, and of course it comes with a spare in case something bad does happen. I wanted to show you how the top opens up very easily. Gives you a way to make a little bit of a convertible out of the soft top. It's a very easy way to do it. It's just 2 clicks of a button in the front and then folds directly back.
Well, I can see why everybody was super excited for this Ford Bronco to arrive. So you guys, again, this is the Badlands edition. Now, if you are interested, please do not hesitate or feel nervous to stop by. We are going to have this probably for the next day or so before the Ford rep picks it up. So if you would like to see it in person, again, stop by. We would be more than happy to share it with you all. So thanks again, Charles, for showing it off.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, all of our contact information is right here. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.